I'm walking there. Switches people with a taco hat.
This is a tour of like the totally awesome DIA.
Oh my god, that looks so creepy.
What does he have on his head?
I don't know, it looks like a giant...
I'm gonna go to school and punch Michael in the face. Okay?
I think we should leave.
Let's practice this. Oh?
Thank you. We'll head on in here then.
Still here.
Just say we're leaving so I can turn it off. Say bye-bye.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
We have to go.
Bye-bye. 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 You're the person on the butt.
Dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun.